Hey y'all, this is Angela DeFreitas and I am a realtor in Conway, Arkansas. Today I'm going to share with you my fourth tip for first-time home buyers. And let me tell you what, finding a house should not be a wild goose chase. So today we're going to talk about how you can have a much more efficient and effective search for finding your right home. What you're going to want to do is just simply sit down with a pen and paper and figure out what your priorities are. You're going to look at what you must have in a house, what you would like to have in a house, and what you absolutely don't want in a house. Once you've figured those things out, then you're going to hand that list over to your realtor so that she or he are able to put it into their search and have a much more targeted list of homes for you to look at. If you just say, I want to look at everything in this price range, well, you're going to be spending a lot of time and energy looking at a lot of homes that you're not going to be interested in the end, and you're going to end up frustrated, and so is your realtor. So you want to sit down and think about, what location do I want? Which part of town? Or do I not want in town? Do I want a big yard, no yard, a pool? Would I prefer to have 4 bedrooms, but I absolutely must have 3? Do you have to have a home office? Do you have a certain style of home that you prefer? All of the things that you can think of that will help your realtor pinpoint the features that you're going to like in a house will ultimately get you to that right house a lot faster and a lot more efficiently. So go home, think about it, write all the information down, and give it to your realtor. And if it changes along the way, that's okay. Just make sure that you tell your realtor. It's all about communication. All right, I hope that helps. And you guys come back and check me out for my next tip. In the meantime, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, email me at the link below. Like me on my Facebook page, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.